lovelies! So today is Tuesday and we actually have Wednesday off from work, which I'm so excited about. This week feels super nice because we have the one day off. And also next week I have 4 days off, which I cannot wait. So the plan for today is to do some housework, and the snow has finally melted, so it's time to head in the garden. I'm gonna take the little one outside. Milo has been wanting to go outside the whole day. So let's take him outside, enjoy the sun, and then I have no specific plan, so let's see where the day takes us. And also tomorrow we have plans to go to do some shopping for the garden and also for our home, so I will take you guys along. So welcome to a new day. This is my second time that I bought this strawberry blonde collagen drink, and it's so nice and refreshing. So we have this celebration called Vappu tomorrow, which is like kind of a spring starting or summer starting party. So we're gonna have colorful balloons and usually some colorful clothes. So I already have today a little bit of Vappu attire, and we're usually drinking sima and then also some sugary donuts. So I'm gonna show you what we bought for tomorrow. We actually bought the sugary donuts ready-made because it's quite a process to make them, and I couldn't convince myself this year to do them. So we're just gonna enjoy those, and I think we're gonna barbecue for the first time in the garden and also make some toasted marshmallows, which if you know me, you know that I've been dreaming about this my whole life because I love toasted marshmallows. So I think we're probably gonna do some kind of like sticks with strawberries, also the marshmallows and some cookies. So I'm gonna show you what I make for Vappu. But happy Vappu to everyone, and welcome to celebrate Vappu with us. Hello! We came to explore on our hill. Our house is there. Our neighbor said that there's supposed to be a lake here on top of the hill. So we're gonna go explore. Milo, come again. Captain. Hyvä. Tänne päin. It's so magical here. How cool. So, Milo the explorer cat. Onko millä seikkailupaikka? So I think we found the water, and oh my goodness, I didn't even realize that there could be this whole like forest path, and there's a small pond in the middle of the forest. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go explore. Milo is a little bit hesitant to go far away from home. Tule mennä. Hyvä poika, mennä. Tule. Hyvä. It looks so magical. Hienosti kultaa. Kaptein.
said you were too tired to walk the line. I said then hold up, precious. I can be a goldsmith and you a nomad or a tailor, and we don't have to follow the rules. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh, I believe everything to be true. Oh, every little bit of my heart lights up. Oh, can you please tell it to never stop? Now my worried mind seems to fall behind, and I can find time to reflect on where we're headed. The sky's not the limit when I have you by my side. Oh, we can run mad, be free falling, and yet be
Eli
glad.
perunoita ja kesäkurpitsoja tohon. Ja
I can do
sitten
when I look at you.
parsakaalit menee maahan ainakin. Niillä varmaan yksi veti. Sipulit varmaan tohon. Tää voisi olla semmonen vihannesection tää. Sitten tohon tuli mansikoita, toinen. Yrtit me pidetään tuolla, mutta sittenhän meillä on noin 2 on kans vapaana. Niinpä. Joo, koska yrttejä halutaan paljon, jep.
Okay, we're doing one of our favorite dinners ever. So we found this Chinese recipe that you can make at home. So you need broccoli, carrots, pepper, ginger, garlic and chili. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box so you can check it out from there. But I promise you, you won't be disappointed. This is the best Chinese ever. It's like a stir fry and Chinese mixture, I'd say. But it's a chicken wok and with loads and loads of crispy vegetables. And I will give you a tip. It's good to leave these quite chunky so that they will be crispy and not soft. But yeah, the chicken is actually in the fridge in a marinade, marinating away. And then next we're gonna just fry everything. I'm gonna do some rice and then enjoy. But I will show you the final result and also share the recipe in the description box. Highly would recommend. We never go to Chinese restaurants anymore because this is so freaking good.
But I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake.
the green.
Stars are in the night. I'm supposed to stay with me. Moonlight, I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight.
even handle, babe.
So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right, so right. Meant to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside.
So our grass is looking a little bit sad at the moment. Up here it's a little bit brownish and also there's some patches. And this part here is the worst. So we're just gonna put some helpers for it at the moment. We just first gave it some air with this tool and then I did some raking so that it has a neat and clean base. And the next part is to put some garden powder here to help with the grass grow strong and healthy. And then we're gonna put some grass seeds and some soil on top of that. But it's such a nice evening. We've had the best weather the past few days. So nice to be working out here.
Hi! So we were working the whole evening in the garden. After we came from the gardening shops, we just emptied the car and then started to do the bits and bobs for the grass to make it better. So we've just been there hours and hours. My hair is looking like a mess, but it was so nice. I'm just so baffled that we have our own garden and we can just sit and enjoy life there and just work there and everything. I just have been waiting for this my whole life. In the morning I was eating my breakfast there and just enjoying the sun. It was so nice. Just feel so grateful. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video and I will hope to see you soon. Bye guys!